Hilda Baci made the Guinness World Record for cooking the largest pot of jollof rice. The juicy part is that some people said it tastes somehow, while some people said it's very delicious. Well, on today's episode of Food Review O'Clock with me, the Black Chef, I'll review this food brand called Gino. The big question here is that is Gino tomato sauce really the king of jollof or hype and marketing? Let's check. So stay with me here because I'll make jollof rice, I'll make review, and I'll call a friend to test. I'm using these three sachet of Gino to prepare 3 cups of rice.
So neighbors, these are what I'm using, so let's cook. Now pot, I'll let it dry and pour in some oil. After I make the oil to cook for a while and I stir it together, I put on my onions and my garlic too, and I make sure I stir it together. I stir it together though. So I go in first the pepper, onion first. I'm not using blended pepper in this video, trust me, just watch. So secondly, I added in my tomato paste from Gino. So and I stir it together. I keep stirring it together just to mix the pepper and onion and the ordinary Gino tomato sauce together. So I keep stirring it and keep stirring it. Come on, I don't use any blended pepper. The thing is that I'm already loving it. So after a while, I put in my patty jollof. So after putting on my patty jollof, I keep stirring it. Just feel it, like the color, and come on, it's saucing. I added in my curry. After adding my curry, I make sure I stir it together. I mix everything together more, just to make everything to send mamoko. So after adding together, I make sure I stir it together just to feel the aroma. Why stirring this together? My friend is already here, so that is my time. I added in my time too. Yes, I measured everything. So my stirring, I told you that my friend is here to eat with me. So I keep stirring together. I keep saying, so neighbors, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share. And the cube, I put in my Maggi, my seasoning. So after that, I stir it together. Like I want the sauce and everything to come together. Yes. So after that, I covered and opened again. The sauce I've already mixed together. Come on, see you, neighbor. Come and see you. Yeah. So after that, I make sure that I let the sauce to cook very well, like to cook. No blended pepper, don't forget I told you that, no blended pepper. So I keep stirring, like I don't want anything to just do yama, and I checked in, I tested my sauce and I feel like come on, this thing is so I washed in my rice, my 3 cups. Don't forget I used 3 cups of rice. So after I washed in my rice, I make sure I stir everything together. I stir it together very well, just to make the sauce and the rice to stick together. And I covered it to let it firm together. And open again, and come on, no filter. That is just how it's going. Yeah. Even my friend just commented that the aroma is harumi. So after that, I'm pouring my water. Everything is measured. I pour in my water and I covered. I open again. I feel like, come on, this thing is coming up fine. It's coming up good, but trust me, neighbor, I want to give this thing a try. I want to give it a try. Come on, see. It's jollofing. It's jollofing already. Like, because I don't want it to let it burn too much. So I keep checking it. So after some minute of cooking, it's already time to to do everything. I added my butter to mix everything to make the aroma come out very well, and I'm loving it. I tasted the work of my hand and I love it. So I tasted again. Come on, I feel like eating everything. The thing is that Gino tried in these their products, yeah, in this pepper party jollof, and they tried it. Come on, I think it's time to serve, because what else again? I did everything and serve. So while eating, I asked my friend, like we were talking about one of our friends that's traveled to Hausa land, that is Habib. Shout out to Habib. Like we were talking and gisting ourselves, how it goes, and it was gisting me though.
Wàhálà anyway kí ni ìdùnnà nínú ọtí no tomato ṣó náà dáadáa wọn. Pátì jọ̀lọ̀ fẹ́ ló yẹ kó ta sánsán.
Báyìí jọ̀dọ̀ yẹn jẹ́ kó wà òkè. Tòmátò wọn jẹ́ òfin ní kọ́lọ́rìn gidi.
Ọyọ́ ọ̀tá ìmọ̀ náà ó bá mu.
Ó wà òkè.
Kò pọ̀ jù.
Wọ́n lè ṣe máa ń di tọ̀nà wọn náà.
Nígbà tí mo rí magi Gino magi ní time kan. Omi wa
Sájẹ́tì ló máa jẹ́.
ẹnu cube. Bọ́mi ẹ̀wọ̀n kì í based on pé area àtàwà. Ó ló scarce ní area wa yìí. Nǹkan tó fà á nìyẹn. This pepper Gino kìnnà kí n torí party jollof ẹ̀ gan. Ó ṣe díẹ̀ nítorí party jollof ẹ̀. Fẹ́ mo wá fẹ́ màá fẹ́.
Gino yẹn wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó dáa. Very good product ní gbogbo nǹkan kan ṣe.
Actually, my friend said he loves the Gino products, like the Gino brand, their party jollof, their jollof and onion stuff. And I think, to me, I don't know, or to you, should we still give Gino the king of jollof, or we should try another brand out? So we now compare the two together, or should compare everything together? Because should I give Gino? I don't know, because I've already given them 7/10. They tried now. So Nipo, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you not to miss the next food review video. Thank you.